Hey guys, we have here our Oontz Angle3 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair this speaker to an iPhone. So in this case we're using here this iPhone X, but it works in the exact same way with any other iPhone as well. Now in case you want to pair your speaker to an Android phone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner where we're going to specifically pair it to an Android phone. First thing we have to do, of course, is to turn on the speaker. So we're going to press this power button here on the side. And then we're going to take a look at the side here. You should be able to see this blue LED blinking. That means the pairing mode is enabled at this point. In case that's not the case for you, then press the Bluetooth button, which is located right underneath this LED. I'm going to press this for more than 3 seconds. And now the LED should definitely be blinking in blue and the pairing mode of the speaker is enabled. And so now we can put the speaker to the side and we're going to switch over to our iPhone. And here we're going to enter the settings menu where we find at the top the Bluetooth options. I'm going to select this, and here we make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And then we're going to see at the very bottom of the list very soon there should be the Oontz Angle3 appearing, and we're just going to select this in order to pair to the speaker. Now within seconds the speaker is going to be paired now, and we can confirm this also by taking a look at the LED on the speaker again. Now this is here constantly blue. This means this speaker is now paired to our phone, and also the phone says yes, it is connected at this point and it is ready to be used. Now if you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to use the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So the next time you're just going to turn on the speaker and it's going to automatically pair to your iPhone again, as long as Bluetooth is still enabled on the iPhone. You can see this instantly, the LED is here in blue, it's ready to be used. Okay, so this was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.